Hello everyone, I am Nitin Reddy from ECP section. Today I like to describe about the topic incidence matrix. Incidence matrix. In mathematics, an incidence matrix is a logical matrix that shows the relationship between two classes of objects, usually called an incidence relation. If the first class is X and the second is Y, the matrix has one row for each element of X and one column for each element of Y. The entry in row X and column Y is 1 if X and Y are related, called incidence in this context, and 0 if they are not. Incident matrix. It represents the graph of given electric circuit or network. Hence, it is possible to draw the graph of the same electric circuit or network from the incident matrix. The connecting of branches to a node is called an incident matrix. It is applied only to directed graph only. Rank of complete matrix is n-1 where n equal to nodes of a graph. This representation of concept of Kirchhoff's voltage law and Kirchhoff's current law. Incident matrix is represented with the letter A. It is also called as node to branch incidence matrix or node incidence matrix. There are n nodes and b branches are present in a directed graph. Then the incident matrix will be have n rows and b columns. Here, rows and columns are corresponding to the nodes and branches of directed graph. Hence, the order of incidence matrix will be n into b. The elements of incidence matrix will be having one of these values, +1 or -1 or 0. With the branch currents entering towards the selected node, then the value of the element will be +1. If the branch current is flowing from the selected node, then the value of the element will be -1. If the branch current neither enters or not selected node nor leaves from the selected node, then the value of the element will be 0. The node arc incident matrix of a directed graph with n nodes and m arcs is an m into m matrix. A with matrix Aij equal to -1 if arc of j leaves node I, +1 if arc of j enters the node I, 0 otherwise. Here we can see the example of this diagram. Here there are four nodes. We have to represent four rows, and there are five branches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we represent five branches. At node one, the branch one in current in branch one is leaving, so we have to represent -1. The same time in branch 4, the current is in direction towards node 1. So fourth branch is +1. And at the same time, the second branch in current is leaving from the first node. So it's -1. And second node, the current in first branch is coming towards the node. So it's +1. And in third branch, the current is going away from the second node. So it's -1. And at node 3, in the third branch, the current is coming towards node 3, so it's +1. And in the fifth branch, the current is flowing from the node 3, and it's minus. And the same 4 also flowing from the node 3, it's minus. And we compare the fourth node. In fifth branch, the current is in direct towards the fourth node, so it's +1. And in the second branch, the current is directed in the same direction to node, so it's +1. Thank you.